Mozzarella cheese with original recipe. Let's do it together. So easy. As you see, the salted syrup will keep it, as you see, amazing. And this original recipe from mother home. Let's do all techniques. The original recipe must be 1 liter cow milk, 1 liter buffalo milk. So what we do now is available for us is 2 liter cow milk, full fat. Very important. But to have this elasticity and the amazing recipe, you must divide buffalo milk with cow milk. What we need, we just preheat the milk 46 degree. If you don't have thermometer, you must make it a little bit warm, not so hot. This is very important steps which make it. You can add white vinegar. What we do, we stir all the time so we keep the whole milk the same temperature. If you leave it without stirring, what will happen? Some milk will be hot, some will be cold. That's why we stir all the time. Now 46, we remove from the stove. We added 1/4 cup of white vinegar. That's it. What an easy recipe. Just you mix, the milk will curdle, as you see, and this is the result we do. So I added the vinegar in 2 times. You can see more curdle now. We strain this curdle. You can see now the water, we can use it as a preserving agent. Just a little bit salt and we can keep the mozzarella inside. Or you can take it and make it with any kind of dough. It make it so tasty. You can see we strain the dough, and this is the hardest steps. We combine all the cheese and we bring it back to very hot water. The same water, we just added salt. You can see I squeeze it very well. Then I keep it in the hot boiling. I must have 1 gloves or 2 gloves. I added the salt. You can increase or reduce the salt as you like. What we do now, we heat the cheese in the same water. What will happen now? We bring the cheese from curdle to elasticity. But it's very hot. So what you do, you keep it in hot water a little bit, and then you squeeze it and you keep it back. This take 7 to 8 minutes. It's not easy, believe me, but it gives you a nice result. When the curdle becomes more hot, becomes more elasticity, you can see now, it's foaming like a strong dough. As long as you do that, as long as you have more elasticity in the dough. Now completely different texture. I keep it again. I roll it in the hot, very hot, believe me. The quality of the cheese depending of the quality of the milk. Look now. Now you can have this cheesy stretch. As much as you keep it longer, now you can see very smooth. Before was little bit, curdle or shrink. Now is very, very smooth. You can keep it more if you want more elasticity. And then when you are ready, you keep it in container. You cover it with the same water for preserving. The rest you can use it for any kind of dough. It's give a very good taste to any kind of bread. Now we cover, you keep in the fridge 3-4 hours or overnight, and you have the very original recipe of Philadelphia of mozzarella cheese. Please make like and share the video with your friend.